In 1998, Russian geologists cracked open a 300,000-year-old rock and found something that shouldn't exist. A perfectly formed metal screw embedded deep inside solid stone. This discovery could rewrite everything we know about human civilization. What researchers found will shock you. Modern humans weren't even supposed to exist 300,000 years ago, let alone create precision-engineered metal objects. Today, you'll discover the impossible artifact that has scientists questioning the entire timeline of human development. The Kaluga region of Russia seemed like any ordinary geological survey site. Scientists were examining rock formations when they split open what appeared to be a normal sedimentary stone. Inside, they discovered a 2-centimeter metal screw, perfectly preserved and embedded so deeply that it had to have been there when the rock originally formed. But that's not even the strangest part. Geological dating confirmed the rock was 300,000 years old, a time when early Homo sapiens were just beginning to emerge in Africa. Advanced metallurgy wouldn't appear for another 295,000 years. The screw itself defies explanation. It shows precision threading, uniform metal composition and manufacturing techniques that match modern industrial standards. X-ray analysis revealed it was made from an iron-based alloy, suggesting knowledge of metalworking that predates known civilization by hundreds of millennia. Russian Academy of Sciences researchers initially dismissed it as contamination. Modern screws don't just appear in ancient rocks, they ran every test possible. The rock showed no signs of drilling, injection or external tampering. The screw was genuinely embedded during the stone's formation. Here's where it gets even more impossible. Similar artifacts have been discovered worldwide. The Coso artifact in California, a 500,000-year-old spark plug found in solid rock. The Salzburg cube in Austria, a precision metal cube discovered in coal deposits millions of years old. Each discovery follows the same pattern. Impossible objects in impossible locations, preserved in stone formations that took geological ages to form. Yet mainstream archaeology refuses to acknowledge them. The implications are staggering. If these artifacts are genuine, they suggest advanced civilizations existed long before recorded history. Civilizations capable of precision manufacturing, metallurgy and engineering, then completely vanished, leaving only scattered traces embedded in ancient stone. The 300,000-year-old screw forces an uncomfortable question. What if human civilization is far older than we believe? If advanced technology existed in prehistoric times, it means our entire understanding of human development is incomplete. These artifacts suggest lost civilizations achieved industrial capability, then disappeared so completely that only geological accidents preserved evidence of their existence. What other impossible discoveries are waiting in ancient rocks? Subscribe for more artifacts that challenge everything we think we know about our past.